People do not become big just by doing some great. They become great doing ordinary things in an extraordinary way. So in this video, we are going to decode a journey from ordinary to extraordinary, that anybody, your child can become extraordinary. So if you are a student watching this video, make sure you watch till the end to get a lot of pointers, take notes. And if you are a parent watching the video, make sure that you've shared this with your child so that he or she can achieve something great in their life. This is Maurya SN here, your goal clarity and success mindset coach with 27 plus years of professional journey. Now I'm on a mission to help 1 million young minds to become super achievers who can achieve something great in their life. Let's dive in. As you can see, these are 5 pillars of from ordinary to extraordinary journey. So desire for a change, clarity of pursuit, purpose and priorities, unstoppable energy, persistent. Let's decode deep down one by one. These are ordinary things, but how applying these principles, elements, you can become super achievers. First pillar is desire for a change. If you look at history, pick up any name, great entrepreneur, great king or businessman or great leaders, there's one thing common is desire for a change. They're not happy with the present. They're not contented with what is around them. There's a fire inside them to come out of the current circumstances and get out of it and move in something different direction. So this is one thing. And most important, they had an internal motivation. They have not been motivated from very external achievement. They have been so driven, so internally motivated for their desire for a change. They keep on moving continuously. So desire for a change is one thing, because if as a student, if you do not have a desire to achieve something great, get somewhere which is bigger than you can't be extraordinary. What is the second pillar? Clarity of pursuit. This is very simple, but clarity drives your life, because more you are clear, more you can take right actions. The clarity is something you know what you want, because if you do not know what you really want in your life, you will be doing so many things and end up reaching nowhere. It's just like ship in the sea. If there is no navigation system, it will go somewhere, anywhere, or nowhere. And all the extraordinary people in any area, they have been very clear what they wanted out of the life, because they were so clear that they can see the future now, right? Even though it doesn't exist. That's the power of clarity. Let's now go to third player. Purpose and priorities, they are very important. All the great persons who have achieved extraordinary results in any area, celebrity, sport star, cine star, industrialist, business, profession, take any area, their key elements which were different, they have been driven by the purpose and priorities. Their purpose was bigger than them, and their purpose was their highest priority in their life. They were able to sacrifice everything else and prioritize their purpose. Important that their purpose was so strong that every day in day life, they created this spark in their life. So make sure to find your purpose, something which is very strong, very big, that creates energy and spark in your life. Now go to the fourth element. Fourth pillar of ordinary to extraordinary journey is unstoppable energy. Because extraordinary journey is not ordinary, it's not easy. Then everybody can become extraordinary. So if you are a student, make sure that you take care of these elements, these part. Then only you'll have unstoppable energy, because your extraordinary journey will have a lot of setback, a lot of obstacles, a lot of failures. It requires huge efforts. Most important, it requires huge effort, extraordinary efforts. If your body is not in proper way, it doesn't have energy, it's not healthy. So if mind, body and soul if they are not aligned, if they are not in right place together, you can't make extraordinary efforts. So in order to become extraordinary, you need to take care of mind, body, soul, and your emotional strength. Then only you are going to make extraordinary efforts. You can face our challenges. Now let's see what is the fifth pillar. Is persistence. Because it's very easy to start something and even easier to quit. Many times people start with a lot of motivation, lot of energy, inspiration. I want to achieve this, that, all the stuff. No, the soon they hit the ceiling, soon they hit any roadblock, challenges, failure, they quit. So in order to achieve something extraordinary, persistence is very important, because on the way you will have a lot of challenges, setbacks, failures. So you should be able to face the challenges. Very key point. Make sure you make mind, body, soul bigger than the problems. Because if you are bigger than the problems, then you can solve the problems. If your problem is always bigger than you, you'll just get sucked. You'll not able to come out of it. You have tough challenges. You have to navigate all the challenges, face all the challenges, face all the failures, come out of it, be resilient, restart. And finally, you have to persist until you get there. Whatever you have in your mind, as a profession, as a business, as entrepreneurship, whatever big goal, big purpose you have in life, you have to persist. If you persist, you will reach there sooner or later. All right, hope you get a lot of value. If you need similar resources, you can subscribe the channel with the given link below. Also, you can browse mauryasn.co.in to get a lot of free resources, self-discovery kit, success mindset kit. A lot of there you can use that and craft a great career. Also, I invite you to attend my FutureProof Career MasterClass, wherein I decode top 3 secrets to make you a super achievers and achieve something great in their life.